Hello everyone, time for another video. I got my Carbon FLZ, my Distance Carbon FLZ. These are black diamond poles. These specific poles are the 110 to 125. They are 6 ounces each and super strong. I have a friend that weighs about 220. He and I were out hiking and he fell onto his pole while hiking with a 40-pound pack, and the pole flexed and then went right back to shape. No bend, nothing. So these things are super strong. Absolutely love them. However, I don't use the strap. I'm sure I should, and a lot of people say you can get more strength out of it, but the strap is not something I'm interested in, so I want to take them off. Also, if you have damaged your strap and you want to replace it, I'm going to show you how to remove the strap off of these. So let's get started. First of all, I've done the strap removal on this guy already, so you kind of have to be okay with creating this little tiny divot here on the back side of your grip here. So that's the only issue you'll have with removing it. So let's get started. What I have is I got pliers and a little hammer, and then you'll see in a second here how I'm going to use that crescent wrench. All right, let's get started. So what I'm doing here is I want to knock that pin out of there, and I'm going to do that by tapping on this side here. I also want to give the pin a place to go, so I'm just going to do it over the mouth of this crescent wrench here. So I'm just going to hold down the crescent wrench and tap on this guy here, just on the back side. You can kind of see it bulges a little bit here. That's where I'm going to tap. Let's see if it popped out on the other side. You can kind of see that it's popped out here on the other side. And I just take my pliers, grab hold of it if I can. And the pin popped right out. Can you see that here? It's got some grip on the edge there. I think that just makes it so it doesn't slide out. If you're going to put your strap back in there, then you want to make sure that you put it back into where this grippy part here is the last part to go in. So it's going to be the smooth side in and then the grippy guy here. So it just came out just like that. So once this pin's out, pretty much just falls right out. And this is the plastic piece. That's how you would put it back in there also if you're replacing the strap, just like that. And these have little grip points too, so that you can lengthen and shorten. So if you were looking to lengthen and shorten this, and it's still got the pin in there, you can pull this here all the way up to this guy here. So you can make it that long if you want to. And then this part here just tucks back into this little sleeve right here. So that's it. Super simple. Pole looks great and works fine. And now you've got a pole that is 5 grams lighter. We weighed this with or without the strap, and we got 5 grams difference. So if you're into weight and that's your thing, now you know. All right, if you like it, hit the button. Thanks a lot.